welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and today we're going to make this canister box. It's made of 8 different timbers, and the box is going from big right down to small. Just a great looking box, isn't it? You can use it for anything. You can use it in the kitchen or as a jewelry box or just a display box. Great looking box. Wow, look at that, guys. Doesn't that look great? Here I am buttering the maple. Doing the edge now. And the blackwood. Here I am cutting the celery top pine down the guts. It's a box size, they're only about 10mm thick each. Okay guys, I've cut them roughly the size and I've ripped them down the guts, but they've only got to be about 10mm thick each, but they've only got a drop-in lid. So I've got the maple, the celery top pine, the jarrah, and the blackwood ripped. More notice for the 2 litre boxes on the end, but they're only dummy boxes, so it's for the aesthetics. So it all goes down into a small box. My favourite machine there, the thicknesser. I love that machine. Helical head, cuts so well. There's another view of it as it comes out of the machine. Look how clean that is. I machined all the timber down to about 10mm each. So I've got a whole stack of timber here, all different species, down to 10mm. Next trick is to cut the boxes over height. Okay, just cutting the jarrah box now, just roughly to height. Okay, cutting them to height now with my cross-cut thread. Got all the boxes cut to height, and each one's down 20mm from the one in front of it. And cutting the 45° angle with my 45° thread. Small pieces like this are so easy with the 45° thread. It works well. And here I am using the masking tape method to put the boxes together as usual. And fold that one up. Fold that one up. Then we get some more masking tape. Set it up. Pull it down. Here you go guys, all done. Time to take the boxes out of the tape. Yeah, they're all looking fine, they're all looking good. Now the next trick is to sand up the outsides and the top and the bottom and then glue them together. So they're just before you do the lids. So that's the next trick, and that's how they're all going to sit like that. And we do the 2 false ones at the end. And I just eye them up. Again, if you mark them, you've got to probably sand the marks off. So what I do is just eye them up, press them down. That's it, that's done. So do the next one again, make sure you're going the right way. Just a little bit of glue. Just eye them up, get them flush at the bottom and just leave them. Get the box all glued together. Come out great, come out great. As I said, all you got to do is just a little bit of glue, just rub them in and leave them, and they come out great. You know, so as long as they've been square, look at that. Very nice. Now all we have to do is the tops and the handles. Now I thought I got a bit of red oak here. I do the tops out of the red oak. They've also got to be rebaited so they sit inside the box as well. Okay guys, we'll do that next. Okay, cutting the red oak to size now, cutting the tops. Each box is square, so we just turn the lid around for a square lid. Putting a half round on the top of the small router. Finished. All ready to sand and polish. Look at that. Another one that just pops. I like saying the word pops, don't I? Anyway, it does, it really does. The canister box. And spraying him in with furniture lacquer. Good stuff, the furniture lacquer. It dries quick too. 15 minutes, just dry, sand and respray. Look at that guys. That's the box. All finished. Look at that. I'm going to say it pops, but it pops. Alright? Pop's going to be my word. I keep saying it. Don't know why, but I keep saying it. I think it pops. Thanks for watching again. Please subscribe and ring the bell. You know what to do. And that's it. And we'll see you again in the next video where we will be making probably another box. Yay!